Let's pick up apples. I am at apple orchard. There are acres of apple trees. I can walk for miles and probably still wouldn't be able to see it all of them. Fall is the best time to pick apples. They are ripe and start to fall down the trees. They are ready to be picked up, but be careful and watch your step. In this orchard, there are mostly two types of apples, Macintosh and Red Delicious. I don't recommend to take apples from the ground, but you can definitely find some good ones there. Best apples are on the top. Got this one with Daddy's help. Two apples, not much. Need to pick up more. I have big plans for these apples. Apple pie, of course. Apple juice and apple as a snack. Apple trees can look old, but they still blossom and carry apples. I strongly suggest to bring tall family members or friends to help you getting apples. Apple trees may look a bit crooked but have the most delicious apples. Can you spot an apple here? We'll try to get this one. Little fight with branches. Yes, it's mine. By the way, if you are about my height, you can get to the lowerest branches and under them. That's what parent can't do. Apple field, as if they are growing from ground, not on tree branches. Oops, easy to fall. Apple obstacle course. That got heavier. Oops, I did it again. But nevertheless got the best apple. Second back and stick to help me got apples. Feel like a hunter. Where are the best apples? Let me show you how to use a stick. Got it. Can you spot 3 apples here? Before putting an apple into my bag, I carefully inspect it. If it's rotten or with worms, I leave it on the ground and animals will eventually eat it. Beautiful apple. Spotted few more. Remember what I told you about my height? Here is the proof. Only I could reach there. Very heavy. But make sure your hair is not covered with leaves. Strong arms are important. Or just have Daddy next to you. Apples are picked. Time for hayride. Hold tight and here we go. We have two beautiful horses today. I will show you them closer shortly. Nice view. Meet Princess and Fairy. They are adorable. I want to pet them. Remember, never approach horse from behind. They can't see and may get scared and kick you. Daddy here as a supporter. Thank you for the ride. Oops, I think I am on the wrong side. That's better. Hi, Mr. Goat. Cute birdies. So Callie the goat, Winter the goat and Pearl the pig live here. I think I come during their nap time cause they were quiet and sleepy. We also have here West Eve, Smidge and Baby. Smidge just ate and resting now. I promised to bake my own apple pie, but it will take me hours to do so, so I decided to get one pie right here. Well-deserved dessert. Pumpkin patch. Let's roll few pumpkins. Posing for picture. Maybe I should also make a pumpkin pie. Can't even move this one. Rolling competition. That was fun. Let's do more. Subscribe to my channel. I will take you to more fun places.